Hello everybody. Today we will be making some carnivore buns using the pork rings I have here. I usually buy big packs of pork ring bags and then put it in a blender, grind it up until it looks like flour, and then put it away in these glass jars. So what I will be using is 1 cup of pork ring flour. And I will put this flour inside my blender, or you can use any blender you like to use. And plus I'm going to be adding 5 eggs to this recipe. One tip, if you want your batter more thicker, add 4 eggs instead of 5. Now I'm going to be adding this flour. It's a dehydrated chicken that I have done in my dehydrator and I made it into flour. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. I will be also adding baking powder, actually 1 teaspoon, which I'm using my tablespoon and just using half of it. Don't do like I do. Just put everything in and then blend it. I blended 3 times here. Just, I guess because I forget I'm doing a video, but this is what you should do. Just put all your ingredients first, then blend it. Alrighty, so once it's all blended nicely, we right away start putting it inside each of these molds that I have. These are small little shapes like English muffins. And yes, you do grease up the pan, whatever you're using, before putting in your batter. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, or until they're nice and golden. And they are ready. You see how nice and golden they are? I did not put no egg wash on top of them or nothing like that. Now I'm going to try to take them out and put them in a plate and cut them out for you so you can see the inside. And here it is, ready. I cut them for you and you can see a little bit of the steam because they're still hot, and they're very beautiful. They're soft, they're spongy. I think I'm liking this one much better than the keto yeast bread, whatever you want to call them, that you use psyllium husk. That one you have to wait for it to cool down for you to be able to cut it. But this one, it's still hot. You see the steam, and I can cut it anytime I want, and they look just like bread. It is not crumbly at all, not like cake. It's like bread, and it's not eggy tasty, nothing like that. But if you want it more thicker, the buns, just add 1 egg less so the batter is more thicker. That's all. Well, my friends, that's how simple it was to make this easy recipe. I hope you try it out. Please comment below if you did try it out. Let me know if you liked it or not. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my video. Thumbs up, comment below, and I thank you so much for your support and hope to see you on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.